Hello guys, want to learn how to do this word by word text animation? Let's dive into Davinci Resolve to show you how it's done. So the very first thing that you need is under effects, again under effects, bring in a fusion composition. Now this is the only time you need to be creating this effect. Once you create and save this, you can reuse it for all your projects. So I'll be showing you how to do that as well. So once you drag in your fusion composition, come to fusion, you'll find a media out. So all you have to do is bring in this text node right here and just join it like this. And I'm going to type in word by word. And I'm going to change to my font Inter black. You can choose any font you like. I'm going to choose this one. Then once that is done, just right click on this and choose follower. So once you choose follower, a new tab will appear here called the modifiers. Just click on that and set a delay of 2 and then come to transform and change this transform from characters to words. Perfect. Then you come to size. This is where you need to do the keyframing. So I'm going to bring to a frame like 10. I'm going to set a keyframe on the X and the Y. Then I'm going to come to frame 0 and I'm going to reduce X and Y all the way to 0. Now if I hit play, you can see an animation like this, but it's still not very smooth. We have to fix that one. So you click this spline and select this text here and click this arrow to highlight everything. Press Ctrl A and then right click and come to ease. You can choose either out cubic or out back cubic. So I will show you both of this. If I set out cubic, you get a graph like this. Now if I hit play, you can see it's a smooth animation. But I like the out back cubic a little more. So let me just highlight all, right click, ease, out back cubic. Now if I hit play, you can see there is a slight bounce. Now if you think the bounce is too much, what you can do is come here and just bring this square a little bit down. Not just one, but both. You need to make sure both are aligned perfectly like this. So now you have reduced the bounce. Now if I hit play, it's really cool. Now you can add in motion blur. For that, come to text, come to tools, under settings, just select this motion blur and increase it to all the way to up to 10. If your computer can handle it, put it at 10. If your computer cannot handle it, you can put it like maybe 5 or 6. But I'm going to leave it all the way up to 10. Now if I hit play, you can see there's a nice motion blur also happening. Now let me close this spline and we can add in a bit of drop shadow. So by pressing this text, shift spacebar, drop shadow, press add. And if you want, you can increase the shadow to a little bit and reduce the blur. Yeah, you can just play around like this. Now if you want to save this particular effect, all you have to do is just select all and right click. There is an option called group. Now it's one single group. Now again, right click, settings, save as. So this is where you have to save users, your username, library, application support, Blackmagic Design, Davinci Resolve, Fusion, templates. You can see edit, titles, and just save it here. I will just rename this to word by word and hit save. So now it is saved there. Now if you want to bring in that effect for other projects, you come to titles and just bring in your title like so. Now if you want to customize this, just select this text and click on this particular icon. It will bring into your Fusion, and just double click on this group. It will open the group, and under text, and you can customize it, and you can just re-edit it, and again all those animation will appear as it is. So I hope you found this video helpful. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.